Can you roll down your back window for me?
Try again?
Roll down your back window for me?
Why?
Because I said so. Roll it down.
I don't.
Roll. Yes, you do for officer safety.
I know my rights.
Okay, you're about to get yanked out of this car in about 2 seconds.
I'm doing it like right now.
Okay, I told you to roll it down so I can see because the window tint is too dark and I need to make sure there's nobody else back there.
Okay, no problem.
I need your license, registration, and insurance, please. I stopped you, pass a stop bar at every stop sign, two different stop signs. Your window tint is too dark and your tag is expired. So there's 3 different reasons why I'm pulling you over today.
Okay, the stop signs I don't pass them. I stop.
You pass a stop bar.
Never.
You did. There's a white line at the stop sign. You pass the stop bar.
I mean, I was behind the car, so how I do that?
No, you weren't. You passed the stop bar on 2 different stop signs.
I didn't do that.
Okay.
And why you open my door? You cannot do that.
What's that?
Why you open my door? You cannot do that.
I can.
There's no reason.
I just told you the reason. You weren't compliant. You weren't compliant. Yes, you weren't compliant, and you were refusing to roll down your back window so that I could approach you
I can refuse
safely.
about that.
So that I could approach you safely.
Because my safe. I can.
Yes.
I can refuse about that.
No, you cannot.
I can.
You cannot.
My rights.
You cannot.
Okay. Let's go. Let's see.
Okay, we will see.
Está escuchando, ¿verdad?
And everything is on camera, just so you know you are being recorded.
No,
License,
no, no,
please. License. License.
Hey, man, I'm looking for the
Ma'am,
insurance.
I said your license first.
And insurance.
License first. Corporal Hetzler, St. Johns County Sheriff's Office.
Your name.
Corporal Hetzler, St. Johns County Sheriff's Office.
License first.
41, 40.
Can I look for the insurance now?
The 654-1027, my number. Also, if you could have 1 unit code 1, please.
Okay, I need to get it in my phone because I don't have enough paper. I don't see it.
10-4.
No, si el cabrón está bruto, parado aquí al lado.
You have the registration?
No.
You don't have the registration? Why not?
I don't know. I don't have it here.
Okay. Is there any
Maybe
weapons in the car?
my house and a different wallet.
Okay. Do you have any weapons inside the vehicle?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. Hang tight just a second. Roll your window right about here. Alright, stop. Window tint's at 11%. In the state of Florida has to be 25 or higher, okay? Alright, man. Here's your insurance and your driver's license, okay? Today I went ahead and issued you 4 different citations, okay? First citation is going to be for running the stop sign. You didn't do that. You stopped past the stop bar. The stop bar. Okay, so you can fight that in court. All the instructions are right here on the back. You have 30 days to pay the fine. That's your first citation. Don't. Next citation is for a failure to provide your registration. Okay.
So you say you can open my door just like that and keep going?
Correct. You were non-compliant. You weren't listening to commands. Your window's too dark for me to see in the back, and for me to safely approach this vehicle, I needed to make sure there wasn't anybody else in the back of the vehicle. There's your second citation.
You can just ask me.
I did ask you.
You don't ask me if I got more people in my car.
It doesn't matter. I need to be able to see with my own eyes. Next citation is your registration's expired. Okay, you have 30 days to pay that. Same thing as the other 2 citations. And your window tint, 11%. In the state of Florida, like I told you, it has to be 25. Well, she ran it?
She ran it.
Ran a stop sign again.
I did that vehicle or citations, and then she took off recklessly. I'm trying to catch back up to the vehicle, pull her over again.
Turn your vehicle off. What? Turn your vehicle off. You're driving recklessly, now it's criminal. Turn it out.
I drive.
I'm gonna break your window. You got 3 seconds or I'm gonna break your window. Roll down your window.
Sir,
Roll down your window now.
sir.
Roll down your window now. Get out of the vehicle.
Don't touch me.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the
that.
vehicle.
Well, don't do that.
Get out of the vehicle.
You don't have to do this.
Turn around. Alright, take your
I got you.
search, make sure
Yeah.
she's not searching for powder down.
Space this way for me. You got any weapons on you, anything? Any guns, knives?
You cannot search my car. Hey, you cannot search my car.
Huh?
You cannot search my car.
I was gonna do an inventory on it.
Is she going?
Yeah, she's going
Okay.
for reckless driving and resisting without violence.
You gotta.
41 Porcino, stamp me off in some, I'll get it from the
That's
screen.
no proof of it.
Just put her in Dave. David can take her.
Okay.
Hey, you could just 10-5 her there, and I'll send my 707 to the jail. I'll do the inventory.
Alright.
Can I make a call?
We'll get your phone.
First, make sure there's like no drugs or anything else.
What side do you want her on?
This front side right here.
This side?
Well, there's traffic. That's fine. Unless you still got to pat her down, right? Yeah, let's.
Other side?
Yeah, the other side is fine.
Right here. Just face the car for me.
Can I make a call?
Not right now.
Before.
When you get to the jail, you can.
But I need it right now because my
What?
kids.
I guess you should have thought about that before, you started driving recklessly.
But it's okay. I just drive on the limit.
Hmm?
I don't drive over the limit. I drive on the limit, under the limit.
You got anything in your bra?
No. Just make a call to make sure my kids and my brother know that I'm leaving to jail, and that's it. That's all I ask. It's only for my kids.
Okay.
So let me tell them that I'm going to jail so they know that I'm not coming back. Can I do that?
Spread your legs for me.
Say what?
Spread your legs for me.
Like this?
Yep.
Just let me make a call.
Okay. Have a seat in the vehicle.
Hey, listen. I'm gonna let you call the RO of this vehicle and see if they want to come get it. That way it don't get towed.
The owner?
Or yeah, the registered owner. Who is that?
You have to be the owner?
Yeah. It's got to be. We have to release it to the registered owner.
I can call my brother, but the owner is mine. That car is mine.
Yeah, but it's in somebody else's name.
Yeah, but he's in jail. He's my husband.
He's in jail.
Yeah. But why they searching my car too? I say I don't want it. They search.
Well, incident to arrest. Incident to arrest. It can be
Yeah, but
inventory.
they arrest because they stop me because tint and all that. It doesn't mean that they can search.
Well, incident to arrest. When we're doing an inventory, we have to inventory because it can get towed. So that's why we're giving you the option to.
But can I call them my brother? He can figure out because the insurance is by his name too. The insurance is my name and my brother's name.
I can see. I normally we have to release it to the RO, the registered owner of the vehicle.
So
If we can't get in contact with the registered owner of the vehicle, we have to tow it. Okay. But you're saying he's in jail.
Yeah, he's in jail, and I mean the insurance.
Where is that at?
Right here.
He's in St. Johns County jail?
Yeah.
All right, stand by.
This isn't correct.
He's in jail. She's saying the registered RO is in jail, but it's best if you do it that way anyway because incident to arrest is better for the search.
Yeah. I'm gonna tow it. So I'm doing the tow sheet right now. You could just 10-5 her over there to the jail, and then I'll just tell the jail that